Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Kismawati with NPM 2341241 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discuss about understanding law and business law. Definition of law. Law can be defined as a set of binding rules or norms established by legitimate authorities to regulate human conduct in society. It provides the framework within which individuals, organizations, and governments interact in a structured, predictable, and fair manner. The presence of law distinguishes civilized societies from primitive or anarchic conditions by creating a system of order and justice. At its core, law represents the collective will of society expressed through institutions that hold the authority to enforce compliance. It defines rights, imposes duties, and provides remedies for violations. Without law, there will be uncertainty and instability, where the strong dominate the weak and social harmony collapse. Characteristics of law. The law possesses several key characteristics that distinguish it from other social norms, such as morality, religion, or custom. 1. Regulative nature. Law prescribes what is right or wrong and establishes procedures for lawful conduct. It functions as a guide for both individuals and institutions in maintaining harmony. 2. Mandatory and enforceable. Unlike moral or social rules, the law is coercive. Violation of legal norms results in sanctions such as fines, imprisonment, or administrative penalties imposed by the state. 3. Universality and equality. Law applies equal to all individuals within a jurisdiction. This equality before the law or equality before justice prevents discrimination and arbitrary treatment. 4. State authority. Law derives its legitimacy from the state. Only the state has the authority to create, interpret, and enforce law through recognized institutions such as the legislature, judiciary, and executive agencies. And 5. Systematic and organized. Law operates within an organized structure divided into branches such as criminal law, civil law, constitutional law, and business law, each with its specific scope and function. Source of law. Law gains its legitimacy and authority from recognized sources. This source form the basis of the legal system in most countries, including Indonesia. 1. The Constitution. The highest law of the land that establishes the structure of the state, outlines the distribution of powers, and guarantees fundamental rights. 2. Statutes or legislation. Laws enacted by the legislative branch, such as the House of Representatives or DPR in Indonesia. 3. Government regulations. Rules derived from statutory authority that detail how laws are implemented in practice. 4. Customary law or adat law, traditional norms and practice that have gained legal force through long-term acceptance by the community. 5. Judicial precedents, court decisions that interpret laws and serve as guidance for future cases. And 6. International treaties and conventions, agreements between nations that become binding once ratified, especially in trade, human rights, and environmental law. The rule of law in society. Law functions as both a regulator and a protector. It regulates social relationships to maintain harmony and protects individuals from injustice. It also serves several broader social roles. One, maintaining order and stability. By defining acceptable behavior, law prevents chaos and conflicts. Two, resolving conflicts. Legal system provide fair procedures or litigation, arbitration, and mediation for resolving disputes. Three, protecting rights and freedoms. Law guarantees personal liberty, property rights, and equality before the state. Four, promoting justice and welfare. Law ensures the distribution of research and opportunities in a fair and equitable manner. And five, driving social change. Law can reform outdated practice such as discrimination or corruption and promote modernization and innovation. In essence, law is the backbone of civilization. It transforms moral ideals into enforceable norms that guide society toward justice and order. Purpose of law: the existence of the serve multiple purpose beyond mere punishment. It aims to build a society grounded in justice, fairness, and security. According to Gustav Red Branch, law should pursue three core values: is justice, certainty, and benefit or utility. 1. Upholding justice. Justice is the moral essence of law. It refers to giving each individual what is rightfully theirs. The law ensures that rights are protected and wrongs are corrected through fair procedures. Courts serve as instruments of justice, applying legal norms impartially to resolve disputes. 2. Providing legal certainty. Certainty allows individuals and business to plan and act confidently within known boundaries. Predictable legal system attract investors and ensure stability in economic and social life. Without legal certainty, contracts lose meaning and disputes escalate. 3. Maintaining social order. Law acts as a framework to control behavior and prevent chaos. It establishes a system of authority where individuals obey not out of fear, but respect for justice and legitimacy. 4. Protecting public interests. Laws safeguard collective well-being by regulating public safety, environmental protections, and fair competition. For instance, environmental laws prevent industrial pollution and anti-monopoly regulation protect market fairness. 5. Promoting development and welfare. Modern law is not just punitive but also facilitative. It creates conditions for sustainable development by supporting education, innovation, fair trade, and economic equality. In Indonesia, business and investment laws play a crucial role in achieving nation growth objectives. Definition of business law. Business law or commercial law is the branch of law that governs commercial transactions, business operations, and corporate behavior. It establishes the legal framework within which businesses are created, managed, and dissolved. Business law provides clarity and certainty in business dealings by defining rights, duties, and liabilities. It ensures that economic activities occur in a fair, transparent, and competitive manner. From a broader perspective, business law is both national and international in scope. National laws regulate domestic business, while international treaties govern cross-border transactions, intellectual property, and trade agreements. Objective of business law: 1. To create a stable and predictable environment for business operations. 2. To protect stakeholders' interests, including owners, employees, consumers, and investors. 3. To encourage fair competition and prevent monopolistic practice. 4. To promote corporate accountability and ethical business conduct. And 5. To provide mechanism for dispute resolution, reducing uncertainty and cost. Key components of business law. 1. Contract law regulates agreements and obligations between parties, ensuring fairness and enforceability. 2. Corporate law governs company formation, management, and dissolution, defines shareholders and directors' rights. 3. Employment law protects workers' rights, regulates labor contracts, and promotes fair treatment. 4. Consumer protection law prevents exploitation, false advertising, and unsafe products. 5. Tax law defines tax obligations to support government functions and promote compliance. 6. Bankruptcy law provides mechanism for resolving insolvency and debt restructuring. 7. Intellectual property law protects creations of the mind such as inventions, designs, and brands. 8. Environmental and CSR law ensures the business operates sustainability and fulfills social responsibilities. The importance of business law in modern economies. Business law acts as the backbone of the economy by promoting trust, transparency, and responsibility. In Indonesia, for instance, the enforcement of Law Number 40 of 2007 on limit liability companies ensure that business operate under a clear legal identity and that shareholders' liabilities are limited to their investment. Moreover, business law facilitates foreign investment through the Investment Law Number 25 of 2007, which guarantees protection and equal treatment for domestic and foreign investors, encouraging capital inflow and job creation. Scope of business law. Business law covers a wide range of areas, each with distinct principles and applications. 1. Civil law regulates private relationships, including contracts, property rights, and torts. It ensures fairness in dealing between individuals and corporations. 2. Commercial law focus on trade, commerce, and transactions, including e-commerce, sales, transportation, and banking operations. It plays a vital role in defining business ethics and market conduct. 3. Corporate law deals with the structure and governance of corporations, including their establishment, merge, and disclosure. It enforces accountability and transparency in management. 4. Labor and employment law protects workers' welfare by regulating wage, working hours, and occupational safety. It also governs industrial relations and dispute settlement. 5. Tax law ensure that business contribute fairly to national revenue and comply with financial regulations. Non-compliance can result in severe sanctions or reputational damage. 6. Intellectual property law encourage creativity by protecting intellectual assets such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks. This law is especially critical in the digital economy. And 7. International business law regulates cross-border transactions, import-export regulations, and multinational investment. It ensures that international trade adheres to global standards like those of the World Trade Organization or WTO. Importance of business law. The role of business law is fundamental in sustaining a nation's economic growth and maintaining ethical conduct within business operations. 1. Ensures legal certainty. Business operate confidently when laws clearly define obligations and protections. 2. Protect stakeholders. Laws prevent exploitation and ensure equitable treatment of all parties. 3. Promotes fair competition. By prohibiting monopolies and price manipulation, business law fosters innovation and efficiency. 4. Encourage corporate accountability. Through governance laws, companies are required to maintain transparency and responsibility in decision making. 5. Facilitate dispute resolution. Mechanisms like arbitration and mediation reduce litigation costs and time. And 6. Support sustainable development. Legal standards ensure that business align profit motive with social and environmental responsibility. Examples of business law applications. 1. Company formation. Under Indonesia law, companies must register with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights to gain legal personality. 2. Commercial contracts. Export-import agreements are regulated by both domestic law and international trade conventions. 3. Consumer protection. Law number 8 of 1999 ensures that consumers have the right to safety, information, and compensation. 4. Tax compliance. Businesses are required to submit periodic tax reports and audit to ensure fiscal responsibility. 5. Dispute resolution. The Indonesian National Arbitration Board or BANI provides an efficient forum for resolving commercial disputes outside court. Challenge in modern business law. 1. Globalization. Increasing cross-border activities demand harmonized legal standards and cooperation between jurisdictions. 2. Digital transformation. New challenges such as data privacy, cybercrime, and digital context require updated legal frameworks. 3. Corporate ethics and CSR. Companies are expected to contribute to social and environmental goals beyond profit making. 4. Legal uncertainty in emerging economies. Inconsistent enforcement of laws can discourage investment and innovation. And 5. Sustainability and green law. The future of business law involves regulating carbon emissions, renewable energy, and ESG or environmental, social, and governance standards. So it can be concluded that law serves as the foundation of civilization, ensuring justice, equality, and order. Within this structure, business law plays an indispensable role in guiding economic activities toward fairness, transparency, and sustainability. It defines how business operates, interact, and evolve within a complex social and economic system. Through business law, societies can protect investors, empower entrepreneurs, promote ethical conduct, and foster economic development. As the global economy becomes more interconnected and technology driven, the importance of strong, adaptive, and ethical legal frameworks becomes even more vital. Ultimately, a strong business law system is the cornerstone of a prosperous, just, and sustainable economy, one that balances private profit with public good and innovation with integrity. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.